If you're still using a debit card, you're playing the wealth game upside down. The rich never use their debit cards. In fact, most of them don't even carry one. Why? Because every dollar they spend is an opportunity to build credit, earn rewards, and protect their money. Today, we're breaking down why the rich avoid debit cards, what they use instead, and how you can start doing the same. Most people use debit cards because they're safe. It's your own money, after all. But that's the trap. Debit cards give you no fraud protection, no points or rewards, no credit building, no leverage. If your debit card gets skimmed, your actual money disappears, and the bank might not replace it for days or weeks. The rich don't take that risk, and they don't leave value on the table. Credit is not debt when used correctly. It's strategy. The rich know cash flow is king, leverage beats liquidity, and every swipe should pay them back. Debit cards drain your account. Credit cards, they create motion. It's not about spending recklessly. It's about controlling the float and never using your own cash unless it earns. So what do they actually use? High-limit credit cards, business cards with net terms, premium travel cards with concierge, insurance and bonus tiers, and they pay them off in full every single month. This builds credit lines over $50K, access to 0% APR loans, travel perks, cashback, and upgrade offers. Some even get paid to spend, from points resale to luxury card affiliate cashbacks. But I don't want to go into debt. That's a mindset issue. The rich don't carry balances, they use the system. You get 30 to 60 days of float. That's 1 to 2 months of cash in your account earning while the card handles the purchases. Imagine putting $5,000 per month in expenses on a card that earns 3% cash back. That's $150 per month passively. Want to switch the game up? Start here. Get a credit card with no annual fee plus cashback. Use it only for purchases you can pay off immediately. Set auto pay to avoid interest completely. Build credit and earn rewards. Debit cards are for the unbanked. The wealthy play with protection, power, and perks. Using debit cards feels safe. You're only spending what you have, right? But safety without strategy is just limitation. Wealthy individuals understand something most people don't. Money isn't just for spending. It's for multiplying. And that's exactly why they never swipe with debit. Because every transaction isn't just a purchase, it's a trigger for cashback, a trigger for rewards, a trigger for upgrades, airline miles, status points, and credit growth. Each swipe is an investment in the system that pays them back. You, on the other hand, might be spending $2,000 to $3,000 a month on your debit card and getting nothing in return. Now imagine if you use the exact same money, but on the right credit card. That money becomes leverage. The rich don't fear credit. They master it. They've studied the game, and they use it to their advantage. They build large credit lines, they enjoy zero interest cycles, and they let their money sit and grow, untouched, while the card handles everything. And when we say they don't even carry debit cards, we mean it. Their wallets are stacked with American Express Platinum or Black Chase Sapphire Reserve business credit cards with high limits and smart expense tracking, private bank cards with concierge support. And all of it ties into one simple idea: control the cash. Don't let it control you. The average person worries about spending. The wealthy worry about optimizing. They don't care how much something costs. They care what it pays back in perks, credit, or status. That's the quiet game. Now think about security for a second. When a debit card is compromised, your actual money vanishes. You're locked out of your own funds. You feel stuck, helpless, exposed. When a credit card is compromised, it's not your money at risk. You dispute the charge. The bank handles it. You move on, protected. That peace of mind, that's wealth. And when you stack that peace of mind with cashback, travel upgrades, and a growing credit score, the debit card just looks like a dead asset. Now, let's address the fear that holds people back. Most avoid credit because they think it's dangerous, but that's only true when you use it without a plan. The rich use credit cards like tools. They set automatic payments. They track spending. They never pay interest. And they keep their utilization below 10% to boost their credit score even higher. The result? They're offered pre-approved lines of credit. They get better loan rates. They have more options in business, real estate, and investments. Why? Because they don't just spend, they signal to banks, to systems, to the financial world. They show they know how to handle money, and the system rewards them. So how do you start? Start small. Pick one good credit card, no annual fee, decent cashback. Use it for gas, groceries, or Netflix, whatever you're already paying for. Pay it off in full every month. Set auto pay so you never forget. And just like that, you're in the game. Month by month, your credit score climbs. Your limit increases. You unlock better cards, better rewards, better opportunities. And guess what? That debit card, it stays in the drawer. Now let's talk about what happens long term. In 12 months, you could have a 750 plus credit score, multiple credit lines, thousands in cashback and rewards, access to 0% financing for business or real estate, pre-approvals for elite travel cards, and premium perks. This isn't fantasy. It's how wealthy people move. They don't earn more to spend more. They earn more to control more. And credit is one of the biggest control levers in modern finance. So don't let outdated beliefs keep you stuck. Debit cards are for survival. Credit cards, used correctly, are for strategy, security, and scale. Because every time you choose debit, you're choosing to stay small. But when you step into the credit game with a clear plan, you open the door to a lifestyle most people will never access. The wealthy didn't get rich by playing it safe. They got rich by playing smart. And credit, when used wisely, is one of the most powerful tools in their entire arsenal. They're not just earning points, they're buying access. They get invites to closed-door events, elite networking opportunities, and VIP airport lounges that open doors far beyond travel. The card they swipe is a key, not just to perks, but to people, to rooms, and to influence. To the average person, it's just a credit card, but to the rich, it's an identity signal. It says, I understand the game, I'm in. And that quiet signal pays off. Because when you use credit wisely, the system watches. It upgrades your status. It offers you more capital, more room, more freedom. The rich don't swipe to spend, they swipe to scale. Download the Passive Income Starter Kit below. Subscribe for more quiet money strategies every Tuesday and Friday.